As a breast cancer patient, there were many things that I wasn't really expecting following my mastectomy surgery, like restricted range of motion. There's not a lot of strength to grab and pull things. So that really leaves dressing a little bit difficult. So I'm here to give you some helpful hints and some things I wish I knew before my mastectomy. After your mastectomy, with your limited range of motion, you're gonna have difficulty washing your hair. You might wanna wear a headscarf or get a headband, pull your hair back off of your face. Maybe as a treat, set up a hair appointment afterwards. Get your hair washed by a stylist. You'll go home from your surgery with a post-surgical bra. Once your doctor gives you the okay to get out of the surgical bra, part of what you're going to really want is a bra that fastens in the front, something that you can get in and out of very easily. One of the biggest challenges following your mastectomy are going to be the drains. These drains will exit out of your incision points, and they're there post-surgery to make sure that your swelling and your healing is going along properly. Find something that can keep them in place, because you don't want them tugging or pulling, but you also don't want them out for the public to see. Have something that's loose that you can wrap around, that you feel like your drains are going to be secured and protected, but aren't going to be getting in your way. You can tie your drains around your neck with a shoestring or a rope or a string. Find a camisole that buttons up the front but also has pockets internally for drains. There's a lot of little pockets and fanny packs that you can put the drains on so they stay around your waist. Look for things that you're going to be able to either step into or put on around you and in front of you. Some things might fit you a little bit differently. You might not want really close clinging garments. You might want something looser. Maybe if you have some swelling or you have to hide your drains following your surgery, look for natural fabrics. And those materials give you a lot of extra room. I'm wearing right now just a classic Oxford white button-up, but you can see it's got nice dropped sleeves, so that way if I feel any compression under my arms or my lymph node scar is still sensitive, I don't have anything rubbing up against it, causing additional pain. Even when you decide to maybe go flat, look for movement in your blouses, maybe some ruffles or some shirring or even beautiful prints. Bottoms that you might want to look for may surprisingly not be your yoga pants. You're going to want really soft, loose-fitting lounge pants, stuff that has elastic bands so you can really pull them up and down easily, because you might also experience some swelling, especially if you undergo a flap reconstruction. Getting around can be a challenge. I would recommend not wearing your flip-flops. You're on pain meds, you're tired. Tennis shoes are great, but you're not going to really be able to bend over and tie them yourself. So think about things that you can just slip on and get your feet into easily. Just a few minor adjustments like this can really make a difference in your recovery. And the easier your recovery, the more time you get to focus on healing.